Hello, hello, 5th grade. We are going to do mission 4, lesson 9. You're going to be doing the same thing that you did yesterday. We're going to take your fraction and multiply it by a whole number, except this time we're going to be working with conversions. In your post on Google Classroom, there's also a list of all the conversions that you could possibly see in this Tower of Power already for you, even though this Tower of Power also kind of gives it to you up here for all your problems. So if you want to use it this way, you can, or if you want to use it picture on Class Dojo, you can. So again, we're going to take our fraction and multiply it by a whole number. So remember that our steps to success were multiply the whole number and numerator together, and then divide that by the denominator. So we want to find how many inches is equal to 1/3 of a foot. So rename 1 foot with an equivalent factor in inches. So 1/3 times blank inches. Well, we know that there's 12 inches in a foot because that's what it says up there, and common sense. And then you want to, what it's asking you to do, divide this into thirds because we want to find out what 1/3 is. So 2, 3. And then what you can do in your head is you can just do your multiplication. You can do 1 times 12, which is 12 divided by 3, and that would give you 4. Or you can do 12 divided by 3 boxes is 4. Either way. And then once more, we know that 1 times 12 is 12, divided by 3 is 4. All right, next, we want to convert 5/6 hours to minutes. Up here, again, is a conversion. You can use it here, or you can use the picture in Class Dojo. It's up to you. So we want to take 5/6 and change that hour into minutes. So up there, we said 1 hour equals 60 minutes. And then a common factor, this is where we took that red pen. You guys remember when we were in class and we took those red pens and we crossed off numbers that could go into both. So you want to look at your denominator and say 6. Can 6 go into 5, or can 6 go into 60? Well, 6 can go into 60, so what can both go into 6 and 60 out of all these numbers would be 6 itself. And then 6 can go into 6 one time, and 6 can go into 60 10 times. And then we have an easier problem to solve. We will have 5 times 10 over 1. So 5 times 10 is 50 over 1, so 50 divided by 1 is 50. Okay. All right. Pull back. Now go sideways. All right. Mr. Strand told his class that the class's pet hamster is 1/4 of a foot long. How long is a pet hamster in inches? What are we converting? We went from 1/4 of a foot, and we want to know how many inches. So we're going from feet to inches. Again, you want to do that conversion. How many inches are in 1 foot? Up there it says it in the purple box, so 12. And then you want to do, either you can do that cross multiplying or crossing off thing you can do, or you can just do it in your head. 1 times 12 on top divided by 4. 1 times 12 is 12, divided by 4 is 3. 3. So the hamster is 3 inches long. I have posted notes on Google Classroom again, so please, if you need those, use those. Okay, so we want to find out what 3/5 of a meter is how many centimeters. So what you can do is you need to, let me see if I put room on my paper to do this for you guys. We'll make room. We'll make room. Okay. We have 3/5 times, and the conversion would be 100. So times 100. So 3 times 100, over 5. You can do it as 300 divided by 5, and you would know that'd be 60. Or you can do it 3 times 100. And then you can cross off. You can do 5 can go into 5 once, 5 can go into 120 times, and that'd be 60 over 1, which also equals 60. Either way, you get it. Doesn't matter which way you solve, as long as you just get the answer, guys, okay? Whatever way speaks to you. Okay, we have 5/6 of a year equals how many months? So, you can do either way. Again, you could do it crossing off way, or you can do it, let me get to a new piece of paper, sorry guys. Or you can do it the other way. So 5/6 times 12. So you could do it this way. 5 times 12 over 6, that equals 60 over 6, which equals 10. Or you can do it 5 times 12 over 6. And you can ask yourself, what can 6 go into, 5 or 12? Well, 6 can go into 12, so cross off these two. 6 into 6 once, 6 into 12 twice. Then you have an easier problem. 5 times 2 is 10 over 1, which also equals 10. Either way it works. All right. We have 2/3 foot and 2 inches. So, oops, sorry. 2/3 times 12. You could do it as 2 times 12 over 3, which equals 24 over 3, which equals 8. Or, can 3 go into 2, or can 3 go into 12? 3 can go into 12, so cross off these two. 3 into 3 once, 3 into 12, 4. So an easier problem, 2 times 4 is 8 over 1, which also equals 8. Either way you guys want to solve that, oopsies, is totally fine with me. Good luck. Message me on Dojo if you need any help. Good luck, guys.